3, 2, 1, crescendo!
On the Red Alliance, we immediately are shooting rings up into the speaker, and the same thing is happening on the Blue Alliance. 43-29 picking up another note from the center line and launching that up into the speaker. Unfortunately, it does bounce out though. Going into driver control, Blue has a slight lead at 21 points, while Red is at 14 points. Now that we're in driver control, 80-69 putting a note into the amp and then picking up another one almost immediately. 50-60 heading over to their human players, while 38-43 is picking up more notes and launching them up into the speaker. The teams have already engaged that cooperation button, reducing the notes needed for the melody from 18 to only 15. The Blue Alliance is well on their way to that 15 with already 8 notes in their speaker. 50-60 looks to be a little stuck. They have a broken note trapped in their intake and are having trouble getting it out. Their alliance partners are still working hard as 80-69 places a note into the amp and 38-14 goes over to the human player to try and get another one. 931 placing a note into the amp as their alliance partners are looking to pick up more notes from the human player source zone. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds left in this match, and it's a very close match. Blue only with a slight lead above the Red Alliance. 38-43 lining up a shot, and they make that into the speaker. 50-60 has gotten that broken note out of their intake and are lining up a shot with a note. 38-14 placing another note into the amp. Both teams are at 12 or 13 notes in their speakers, and Red has amplified their speaker. This increases the number of points for each note from just 2 to 5 points per note. They're taking advantage of that up to 15 notes. Both teams have gotten that melody ranking point with 15 notes in their speakers, and we have only 5 seconds until the end game period starts. The teams are looking to score those last final notes, and it's end game. We should see Robots looking to hang and maybe even going, whoa! And the first attempt, the Red Alliance human player gets the high note on the microphone. They have to hope they can get a robot to climb up there to spotlight it. Looks like 931 is successfully hanging and spotlighted. This is going to be a very close match. We'll have to see the match results to find out who won. Then, both teams earned 65 points. The Blue Alliance takes home 2 ranking points for the melody and 1 for the tie. And the Red Alliance takes home 3 ranking points, 1 for the melody, 1 for the ensemble, and 1 for the tie.